Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you the complete steps on how to fill the US tax info on your AdSense account. This process may take anywhere around 5 to 8 minutes to fill the details, and it has some of the most important minute information which has to be filled correctly as well. So make sure you're going to watch till the end to do it in the correct way. Okay, so let's start. So log into your AdSense account. The moment you log into your AdSense account, you will see a note at the top. Okay, it says check if additional tax information is required from you. Okay, you can just click on manage tax info. If you don't see this, okay, all you can do is just go to payment section, and in the payment section you can also find it here, manage tax info. Okay, you can click either of them. So let me just click on manage tax info. Once you do that, you'll see again manage tax info, and here it says United States tax info. This is where we need to fill all the details. So just click on add tax info. It is going to open a new pop-up window and it will ask to log in again. So let me just quickly log in again. So once you log in, the options start to show. So the first one, what type of account is Shriram Benur? So it's asking whether it's an individual or a business entity. Now, if you are running as an individual, so make sure you're going to select as individual. But if it is for a company or something that you are doing, then make sure you're selecting as non-individual or entity. Okay. So in this case, it's individual. So I'm just selecting as individual. Let me just click on next. Now, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? So I'm going to select no in this case. Let's continue next. So this is one of the most important thing that we should select properly. So select W8 tax form type. Now we have two options here, W8BN, okay, and W8ECI. Now what they say is this is applicable for individuals and claim tax treaty benefit. So that means this is applicable for us. Okay. So this form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So in individual's case, this is applicable. Now if your AdSense account is as a business, then you would have to select this. Now let's start with a W8BN form. Okay. So let's continue. So here, okay, tax identity. Be sure this information is exactly the same as on your tax documents and that the form is signed by an authorized representative of this legal entity. Name of individual. So this should exactly match the way it is there on your AdSense account. Okay. And second, okay, so DBA, doing business as. So this is not required. So this is optional. You can just leave it. Now country of citizenship. So make sure you select this. So since I am in India and I am an Indian, I am going to select as India. So based on whichever country you are in, please do select the country. Now taxpayer identification number, that is TIN. Okay. Now here is a slight confusion that usually people will be having, foreign TIN. So do not worry, this is nothing but our PAN card number. Okay. So TIN is tax identification number in foreign countries, and in India it is called as PAN card number. So you have to enter the PAN card number here. So let me just enter the PAN card number. So make sure the PAN card number, whatever you are giving, is correct, because only if you are going to enter this PAN card number, then you are eligible for claiming a tax treaty benefit. Okay. So this is a mandatory one. So make sure you are going to enter the PAN card number there. Now, once you are done with that, just you don't need to fill this US ITIN or SSN number, social security number. This is not required. So just click on next. Now next comes the address part. Okay. So enter the address here. Let me just fill that. One most important thing to remember while entering this address is make sure you are actually writing the same address that is already there in your AdSense account. Now for you to get that address, just go to payment section and you should be able to find at the bottom. You just have to click on that and you will be able to get the address that you would have entered. Okay. So enter the same address, and once you do that, select this checkbox, permanent residence address. Okay. So this is my permanent address also, and just scroll down and select mailing address is same as permanent residence address. Okay. So once you do that, just click on next. Now here it says tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? In our case, it's yes. Okay, residents of the country claiming treaty with US. So just select yes, and say residents of country claiming treaty with US. So check that and select the country. So in my case, I am an Indian and I'm going to select as India. And in your case, if you are from any other country, you make sure that okay, you're going to select that particular country as well. Now below you see special rates and conditions. Okay, you may be exempted or have taxes withheld at the reduced rate on certain income types. So there are multiple times that they have listed. One is services, AdSense, motion pictures and TV, and other copyright. So we need to fill for all these things. So first select AdSense. Now with AdSense, article and para, as per article 7 and para 1, the withholding rate will be 0% for us. Okay, so select 0% reduced rate. Now select this checkbox, and next move to motion pictures and TV. Okay, so here article 12 and para 2a. Okay, so the withholding rate will be 15%. That's 15% reduced rate. So again select this checkbox. Next move to other copyright, YouTube and Google Play. Let's select article 12 and para 2a2, and again withholding rate is 15% reduced rate. Okay, so once you fill all these things, select the checkbox and click on next. So now document review. This is how your document will be generated. Review the 4 PDFs and confirm your information. So one thing you can do is you can just click on this and you can actually verify the document. So it's going to open in a PDF form, and you will be able to read that and see whether the details whatever you have entered is correct or not. Okay, so that's how you can verify it. So you can do the same on all these documents, and once you are sure, click on I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge, and just click on next. Okay, so when you do this, so the certification comes. Here it requires the signature, so we need to enter the full legal name. So in my case, I am going to enter my full name, Sriram Benur. Okay, and next, are you the person listed in the signature section? I am going to select yes. Okay, I am the person listed in the signature section, and I am completing this form on my own behalf. Okay, now if somebody else is doing, say for example, it's agent or attorney or guardian or something like that, in that case they should select no and then continue. Okay, okay, so just select yes and then continue. Click on next. Activities and services performed in the US. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US? So in our case, in my case, it's no. Okay, so I'm sure like if you are a YouTuber from India and if you are just creating videos and uploading to YouTube, even for you it would be no as well. Okay, so I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US. Okay, so that's what it says. Next is status change affidavit. Are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments? Okay, or an existing payment profile? That means what they are asking here is the information whatever we are entering right now, is it for AdSense account which has already received the payment, or it's for a brand new AdSense account where the payments are yet to come? That means you have not even received any payment. So in our case, I'm providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments. Okay, so that means I have received payments, and that's where I'm selecting this. Now if you are not yet received any earning from AdSense, then you should be selecting the first one. That is, I am providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments. Okay, so be clear. If you have not received any payments, select the first one. If you have received the payment, select the second one. Okay, so then once that is done, just click on under penal jurisdiction. I'll declare that the information and the certificates contained here remain the same and unchanged. Okay, just select that and changes. So it says optional. Just click on keep it as it is and just click on submit. Now once you do that, we have filled the complete information that is required for updating the tax information. Now it says status form W8BN approved. So you should be seeing that, okay, as approved. Now you can also see the other things, tax forms and withholdings rates. So claimed, 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 right? So you can see it's 15%, 15% and claimed. So that's how exactly you submit the tax information. And as I said, please be careful while entering this details. If it requires for you to watch again and do it, please do that, because sometimes while we are filling this, we might tend to miss. So it's always necessary that, okay, you take extra precaution while entering these details. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any videos from this channel. See you in the next video.